In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a task as completed in Google Tasks. If you're looking to keep your to-do list tidy and see exactly what you've accomplished, this quick walkthrough will help you do it with confidence. First, open the Google Tasks app on your mobile device. This is the standalone Tasks app from Google, and it's designed to be simple, fast, and focused. Opening it brings you right into your list so you can jump into your day without distractions. Next, make sure you're viewing the list that contains the task you want to finish. In Google Tasks, lists are like folders for different areas of your life: work, personal, errands, or any project you're tracking. At the top of the screen, you'll see the current list's name. If you manage multiple lists, glance at that label and switch to the one where your task lives so you're marking off the right item. Now look through the list and find your task. Your tasks might be grouped by dates like today, tomorrow, or upcoming, or they might simply appear in the order you added them. Take a moment to confirm it's the exact task you're ready to complete, especially if you have similar names or recurring items. This is a good habit to avoid checking off the wrong thing by mistake. When you're ready, tap the circle that appears just to the left of the task's name. That circle is the completion toggle. Tapping it tells Google Tasks that you're done. You don't need to open the task details, just tap the circle. You'll usually see a quick visual confirmation, often a checkmark animation or a brief change in the task's appearance, so you know it's been marked complete. Once marked complete, the task moves to the completed task section of that same list. This section typically sits at the bottom of your list and may be collapsed to keep your view clean. It serves as a running log of what you've finished, which is handy for tracking progress or reviewing what you accomplished at the end of the day. Completed tasks are not deleted, so you maintain a helpful record and can reference old items as needed. That's all there is to it. Open the Google Tasks app, make sure you're in the correct list, find your task, and tap the circle to complete it. Keeping this simple routine will help your active list stay focused on what still needs attention, while your completed section quietly captures your wins.